Hi, I'm Makeup by Rashika and you're watching Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Prep skin with a radiance serum. Follow with strobe cream for an illuminating effect. Prep T-zone area with a primer. Conceal pigmentation wherever needed. Mix foundation with a few drops of face oil for a dewy finish. Mix 2 shades of light concealers to brighten the under eye area and blend. Contour the face and nose. Add concealer to these high points of your face. Blend well. Bake your face. For the eyes, start with a warm brown transition shade. Add a burgundy shade to amp up the definition. Apply a purple shade on the outer corner and slightly blend in. Wet your brush with setting spray and dip it in a shimmery rose gold hue. Apply to the center of the lids. Layer it with a shimmery pigment. Gently blend to avoid harsh lines. Highlight the inner corner of your eyes. Curl lashes and apply mascara. Groom and fill in brows. Brush off the breaking powder. Smudge the same shadow on the lower lash line. Apply kohl and blend it well. Apply falsies. Add color to the apple of your cheeks with blush. Highlight the high points of your face. Line lips with a nude pencil. Fill in with the nude lip color. You're all done.